What the fuck, I really suck at getting my shit together. I'm like a bird that tries to learn to fly without the feathers. I wake up in the morning and I'm thinking, what the shit? I fucking try my best and I feel like I fail again. I look at other people cause it's easy to compare. Like fuck my fucking life, I wanna rip out all my hair. But I will not fucking give up, no I won't fucking quit. Cause I know that I fucking matter and I am legit. So if you are like me and you're a fuckity fucking mess, then we can be fucking besties and just say fuck the rest.